Okay, class, today we are going to do a mini lesson on subtraction. Now, I know you have done subtraction since second grade, but I'm going to teach you a few tricks so that you can remember how to do more digits, okay, longer numbers. So we're going to start today with 2,323, and we're going to subtract 876. Okay, so of course you line up your digits, and then you're going to start with the far right column. So you look at it and you say 3 take away 6. Well, is 3 smaller than 6? Yes. So do we want to take something away from someone who has less than you? No, that is what I call very rude. Okay, we don't want to be rude. So we're going to go next door. Hello, 2, can I borrow from you? And the 2 says, sure, you can borrow from me. So you take 1 away and you give it to the 3 to make 13. Now, sometimes your teachers have taught you to mark through the 3 and make it a 13. We don't do that. We're giving him 10. So we're going to make it a 13. So now can I subtract 13 from 6? Yes. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now, some of you have learned to take down your fingers. Some of you tap and count up. Either way you want to do your subtraction, you can do it. Okay? So now let's take a look at the 1, take away 7. Can we take 7 away from 1? No. And if we did, that would be very rude. We don't want to take away from someone who has less than you. Okay, that's sad. So, go next door to the 3. Hello, 3. Can I borrow from you? And the 3 says, sure. I have 1 to spare. So the 3 becomes a 2, and I give him a 1, which makes an 11. Okay? So, I do the counting up way. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I get a 4. Go back and look, 2, take away 8. Can I do that? No, it is very, very rude. So I go next door to the 2. Hello, 2, can I borrow from you? And the 2 says, sure. So you take 1 away from the 2. You give the 2 a 1, so you're giving him 10, which makes him 12. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 4. Now, can I take 1 from nothing? Yes, I can. 1 minus 0 is still 1. Now, this is the part I know you've seen it from last year, but we really use it this year. You circle your answer. Then this year we do rechecks. We take our answer, 1,447, and we add it to the 876. I start on the right side. 7 plus 6 is 13. Carry my 1. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2, carry my 1. 8 and 4 is 12. Plus 1 is 13. 1 plus 1 is 2. Did I get the same number I started with?
Yes.
Yes, and that's the cool thing about subtraction. I don't have to go around and check everybody's paper, because when you do your recheck and this number matches the top number, then your answer is correct. Now I want to show you one other short problem that has to do with zeros. Okay, sometimes, a lot of times, kids get confused, and we've been out of school for a while, so you forget how to do your zeros. So I'm going to do 3,000 minus 2,128. Okay? So what do we do when we have zeros? We do the same thing. We just have to be super careful. Some kids like to jump all the way here and start borrowing. We don't do that. In subtraction, just like every other math problem, we go step by step. Can I take 0 from 8? No, it's very rude. Go next door to borrow from him, but he has 0. He has nothing. So I go next door to this one, and he has nothing. So I have to go over to the 3 and say, hello, 3, can I borrow from you? And the 3 says, yes. So the 3 goes to a 2. I give this 0 a 1 and make him 10. Then I remember, oh no, but this 0 needs something, correct? Mm-hmm. So I borrow from the 10, make him a 9, give him a 10. But before I go on, I need to check the next number. Does he still need something? Yes. So I borrow from this 10, make him a 9, and give him 10. So 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 1 is 8. And what is 2? Take down 2. 0. So my answer, I think, is 872. But I need to double check. So I take my 872. And if you want to, if it makes you feel better, if it's a larger number, you still may put it on top. 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. 8, 9, 10. 2 plus 1 is 3. Did I get my top answer?
Yes.
Yes, I did. So my number that I circled is correct. Okay? Be very careful. If both of these numbers would have been 0, do I need to give him anything? No. Some of the ones we're going to practice today, I'm going to put some in there that you've got to be careful and ask yourself, do I really need to borrow or not? Hope you enjoy reviewing your subtraction. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow.